tag me if you try this today. We begin on the right side of our pole. We're gonna face our pole, and our inside arm is gonna be our right arm. It's gonna be pulling. Our left arm is gonna be pushing, more or less belly button level. Remember folks, you always want a pull and a push when you're doing spins like this, because you really wanna support the back and the shoulder, and you wanna make sure that you're pushing and pulling and staying somewhat suspended. You never just wanna hang here, okay? You're gonna regret it. The focus for today is the inside knee. I promise if you focus on that inside knee, you will nail this spin. So let's just kill our left leg. Let's forget our left leg even exists right now. The inside knee, or the right knee, is going to lead the movement. It is going to complete a 360-degree circle around this pole, and we will be finishing exactly where we started. The inside knee is going to go back away towards the back wall, and then it's going to complete that circle. So again, kill the left leg. We're not focusing on it. Just focus on the right knee. Here we go. Knee goes back, out, and around, and lands where I was standing. Now we can just turn and face our audience where we started on the right side of the pole. Let me show you what's happening from the back. I'm on the right side of my pole. I'm gonna turn and face my pole. My inside arm is my right arm. My inside knee is going to go back, out, and around. Here we go. Pull from the top, push from the bottom. Knee goes. Knee lands where I started. But I gotta finish facing my audience, right? So I'm gonna keep turning. My outside leg is just gonna clack with my inside leg. And I'm gonna sit on the right side of my pole, facing my audience. So, now that you know what the knee is doing, let's do a little, housekeeping detailing here. Outside leg is gonna look much cuter if it's nice and straight and engaged in this little spin. So when you bring that knee around, your outside leg is nice and straight and erect. Here we go. And knee, outside leg straight, swoop around and land. If you keep that outside leg nice and straight, it's also gonna kind of give you the whip that you need to make that last little turn successful. Practice on both sides. Tag me in your dances if you tried this today, and don't forget